Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be explaining you how to remove the intake on this vortex engine 4.2. That's all on this car. I'm changing these injectors. I just got them brand new today. I have a misfire on cylinder number 5, so in order to get access to the injector, I swapped the coil to the first one and the misfire didn't change, so I decided to change the injector on the number 5. So yeah, I removed a bunch of things. I removed a bracket that was here, and then once I remove this bracket, you have to remove the loosen up the alternator, so you can get this screw here. There's one screw from this intake manifold, so this one is going to be the hardest one, and you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then it's still going to be a little bit tough to get it take it out, because most of it is going to be from this line that's kind of on the way. But you guys will be able to, once you remove all the screws, you're gonna be able to push it back and then remove it. Once you have removed the intake manifold, you guys will be able to remove the bolts holding this fuel rail, 1 2 3 4, and you guys can pop it out. One things to remember: always make sure you have the right tool. It will make life a lot easier, and be patient, okay? Don't try to rush it. Also try to take all this clean. Make sure that you vacuum all these holes after you remove the fuel rail. You don't want any debris in there. If you guys want to see the whole video on how I did this, please subscribe to my channel, and I will show you step by step how to remove this fuel rail and put the new fuel injectors, as well as with the diagnostic. I will show you how to diagnose this issue as well. Check out my channel, subscribe, and then I will see you on the next video. Thanks guys.